Hello friends, welcome to my English course for beginners. Lesson 5. Do you have any siblings? And before diving into it, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing lessons. Let's start with speaking game. Choose the correct answer. Do you speak English? A. Yes, I speak. B. Yes, I do. I speak English a little. C. I am not English. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. I speak English a little. Part 1. Speaking practice. Mother, mother. Father, father. Sister, sister. Brother, brother. Do you remember these family members? Say them aloud. Listen and repeat. Mother, father, sister, brother. It's like a rhyme. Father, mother, sister, brother. And now pause the video and write in the comments. I have a, for example, I have a brother. Listen and repeat. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have a sister. And you can ask me, who are siblings? Siblings are your brothers and sisters. For example, I have 2 siblings, 1 brother and 1 sister. Choose the right answer for you and say it aloud. Do you have any siblings? Number 1. Yes, I have 1 brother or sister. 2. No, I'm the only child. 3. I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. Listen and repeat. Grandmother, grandma, grandfather, grandpa, uncle, aunt, cousin, and all together. Grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, cousin. Answer the question and choose the right option for you. Do you have a grandmother? Yes, I do. I have a grandmother. Or, no, I don't. I don't have a grandmother. Do you have a grandfather? Yes, I do. I have a grandfather. No, I don't. I don't have a grandfather. And now practice. Finish these phrases. For example, I have a mother. So let's start. I have a. I have a. I have a. I don't have a. I don't have a. I have 2. For example, I have 2 sisters. Great job! Part 2. I ask, you answer. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thank you. And you? Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. Do you have a big family? Yes, I do. I have a very big family. I'm fine, thanks. Do you have a big family? Oh, really? Tell me about your family. I have a mother and a father. Oh, really? Tell me about your family. What are their names? My mother's name is. My father's name is. What are their names? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Or you can ask, do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother and two sisters. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any siblings? Wow, what's your brother's name? His name is. He is years old. Wow, what's your brother's name? And your sisters? Their names are, and they're twins. And your sisters? That's nice. Do you have grandparents? Yes, I have a grandmother and a grandfather. That's nice. Do you have grandparents? Do they live with you? No, they live in the village. We visit them every summer. Do they live with you? Do you have any uncles or aunts? Yes, one uncle and one aunt, and they have a son. Do you have any uncles or aunts? Oh, so you have a cousin. Yes, his name is. He's very funny. Oh, so you have a cousin? You really have a big family. Yes, I love my family very much. You really have a big family. Part 3. Speaking practice. And now tell me about your family. Hello, my name is. I have a family. I live with my. She's kind and makes good food. I have one. We talk about everything every day. On Sundays, we visit my. I love my family very much. Are you ready to do your homework? So copy and paste the dialogue into any translator, Google, DeepL, etc. Check the translation of the words you need. Then listen and read it aloud 3 or 4 times for better results. You can find the dialogue in the description. Real life conversation. I read black, you read red. Hi Tom, do you have a big family? Who do you live with? Wow, how old is your sister? Nice. Do you see your grandparents? That sounds great. Well done, good job. See you in the next lesson. What is in your bag. Bye for now.